a flash flood warning for Bexar County, Comal County, western Guadalupe County, until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include San Antonio, New Braunfels, Schertz, Seguin, Cibolo, Universal City, Live Oak, Selma, San Antonio International Airport, Randolph Air Force Base, Stinson Municipal Airport, Canyon Lake, Leon Valley, Helotes, Fair Oaks Ranch, Kirby, Alamo Heights, Windcrest, Carroll Hills, and Bow Verde. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.